clean. Oh my god, seriously.
Damn.
Hey, hi guys, I'm back. So today is going to be a motivation day. We're gonna tackle some of the areas that I normally would not do on my Power Hour Speed Clean. If you haven't saw that video, go check it out, or on my daily or my morning cleaning or my evening cleaning, like after dinner. So today we're gonna tackle those areas that we don't tackle as often as others. Different things that needs a deep cleaning but doesn't get it all the time. Okay, so I hope I motivate you and get you going as well, because you guys are motivating me. The more the camera's running, the more I have to clean, okay? I'm just kidding. Okay, but no, seriously. With that being said, let's get started. So, of course, I have to start with my music. I have to put me on some really good music. And then we're gonna start with refrigerator, guys. Look at this. Yeah, it's overdue. So I'll start by taking out all of the expired items, seeing what's not expired, what is expired, and separating it all out. And I usually just take it shelf by shelf. Some people love to do the entire refrigerator, but I like to do shelf by shelf. So, and then I use this all natural cleaner that I purchased from Thrive Market. I will leave a link below to it. And I just get to spraying and wiping and cleaning and disinfecting. And once I finish, I put everything that is not expired back. And granted, I do need to develop some type of refrigerator organization, which I don't have at the moment. But maybe I'll come back in the future and do a video on organizing my refrigerator. And we drink a lot of almond milk, so yeah, forgive the numerous packs of almond milk. I also eat a lot of non-dairy yogurt, which is usually made also from almond milk. But I had a lot expired too, so I had to throw a lot away. But I still have some left. If you would like to check out some of the healthy items that I like to eat on, be sure to check out some of my previous videos. I also have a playlist of healthy foods that I like to eat on. I'll link all of those videos below as well. We also eat a lot of eggs. I probably should get some type of storage organization just for eggs, because we keep eggs, lots of eggs in our refrigerator. Eggs are great for protein, so we keep a lot of those. And we usually keep our pre-made food or food for the week or meal prep items on the last shelf down here. So as you can see, need to throw away some old food and some meals from the past week that needs to get thrown away. So this bin here, this white bin, I actually like to, I don't like to throw like food in the trash can, you know, for ants and insects and all of that. So if we have leftovers we need to throw away, I actually put a bag in this white bin and we keep it in the refrigerator until the day of trash pickup. Because again, I don't like throwing food in the trash can. And then I also have 2 dogs, and for now, like until I can get a trash can that's like in my cabinet or in my island or something, we just keep all of our old food in the fridge. I just put it in this bin and put a bag in it. And as you can see, we had spills on the bottom down here, so it was a little bit tougher to get this bottom clean. And I removed the glass and all the bins because I'm actually wash all of that in the sink after I finish wiping the fridge out. time to move on to the door and cleaning out all of these bins and throwing away old items, wiping everything down and putting it back in there. These shelves can also come out if you want to wash them in the sink, but I did not like taking them out, so I just wipe them down and then put everything that is not expired back. I also decided to go ahead and put my watermelon slices into the storage container because it just keeps it fresh longer than it does in the package you get from the grocery store. It's also a good thing to actually wipe down your refrigerator, which I think a lot of people don't do. Because if you think about how many times you touch the doors, bacteria sets up and germs. So it's good to actually wipe down your doors and door handles as well. And then I move to the sink and I pour out all the juices and liquids that are expired. And then I toss the containers, of course, in the trash. And then I am going to wash the glass shelf that I pulled out of the refrigerator, as well as the pull-out containers. I'll wash those as well and put those back. And then I'm gonna wash dishes using this natural dish soap that I also got from Thrive Market. I will leave a link to this below as well. I'm gonna wash all of the dirty containers that I pulled out the refrigerator that had old food in them. And now it's time to move on to my family room. I'm going to clean my sofa. I'm gonna vacuum the sofa, the pillows, up under the pillows, because of course when you have dogs, dog hair gets everywhere, and you definitely need to try to keep your furniture clean and free of dog hair, because if you don't, it will pile up. Your house will look like a dog, smell like a dog, and you don't want that. So I have 2 dogs in my home, and so, you know, we constantly have to try to keep the house clean and free of as much dog hair as possible. And a lot of times, I actually usually like to spray it before with Febreze or some type of upholstery spray, but I was out of everything, so unfortunately I couldn't spray it this time. But if you have some Febreze, just spray it before. It actually will help to keep the smells out as well. It will help to keep your sofa smelling good. Now it's time to move on to my fireplace. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see all of the dust up here, but it is dusty. Oh my goodness, it totally needs to have a deep clean. So I start by just dusting everything off with the duster to get, you know, the dust off the surface as much as I can. And then I take everything off the fireplace and I spray it down with the all natural cleaner again. And I start to wipe and clean everything off. And I'm just, for the fireplace, I'm actually using, it's a disposable microfiber cloth that I'm using. For the refrigerator, sometimes I use cloth, and then sometimes I use wipes. If I was getting up like gross things, I would use a disposable wipe to clean it up, and then I would wipe it down with the cloth. That's it, guys. And look at these two. You see what they're doing while I'm cleaning? Yeah. They're so funny. Alright guys, that's all for today. I am tired. Okay, I am tired. Yeah, I don't have a house cleaner or someone who comes to clean my house, so between me and my husband, we have to do everything ourselves on top of working and serving in the church and doing all the other things that we do. But anyway, so I hope that gave you some motivation. As you can see, I am sweating because I am tired, okay? And if I motivated you to get up and start cleaning, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you have not, because I share everything lifestyle, from home decor and do-it-yourself to fashion and beauty. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'll see you guys on my next one.